In math, I will keep challenging him while also making sure he stays focused on his schoolwork. Since he will be doing higher level math outside of school, we will work on time management so he can balance school assignments with his other activities.
Hey guys, this is Frank. In this video, I will show you another very nice feature for the NavTalk 2.3.5, which is the meeting mode. You could have your avatar to host a meeting with others. For example, if you are a teacher, you could create a digital twin or your assistant or a virtual yourself. You can create a meeting with the parents and the students. So you just send the link to the parent and the students. They could join the meeting with your digital twin. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, you need to go to your avatar and go to the setting, put some prompt over there. Say, okay, what's your name? You are the math teacher. You are going to have the meeting with the students and his parents. You are going to talk about the plan, about this new term. So here is some detail about this new semester. Okay, yeah, put the tail over here. So your avatar could be an agent for you. Could talk with the parents or talk with your clients, something like that. You don't need to do that by yourself. You just have your AI version to talk about something with others. Have the meeting here and start the meeting. Okay, you don't need to change the API key, the meeting name. You could say, okay, this is talk about the plan. The maximum participant could be for mine could be 5 or something. Okay, the max duration would be 30 minutes. Available from, you don't need to specify this one, as well as until. Okay, for this guy, allow the guest to join without logging. I would prefer this one. If you do not check this one, you need the participant to sign up the NavTalk account. I don't need to require the password as long as you never share the link to public. If you only just send the link to the parent, to someone you know, I don't think that will be a problem. So now let's create the meeting. Okay, now let's copy the link. We can send the link to the parents or to the students. So let me send this to myself and send this one to my son. And my son to help me do this demonstration. And let me join the meeting. Okay, I have joined the meeting. That looks good. Let's mute myself. Let's wait a few minutes. Let my son join the meeting.
Of course, we can wait. Take your time, no rush. While we are waiting, would you like me to quickly share the main plan for this term?
No.
Or would you prefer I wait until your son joins so we can all talk together?
Yes, let's talk together. Okay, could you tell me the plan about the next term?
Absolutely. For this new term, my main plan is to help John become more independent and responsible for his own learning, not just aim for good grades. In math, I will keep challenging him while also making sure he stays focused on his schoolwork. Since he will be doing higher level math outside of school, we will work on time management so he can balance school assignments with his other activities. In class, I will encourage him to participate more, build steady study habits, and feel comfortable asking questions or asking for help as soon as he is stuck. I also want him to keep enjoying music and sports, while keeping a healthy balance with school. Before John joins, is there one specific area you want us to prioritize first? Focus and organization, confidence to ask questions, or strengthening key math foundations?
Okay, I think that's pretty much all. Thank you. We could talk later. Michael, do you have any question?
And I will encourage him to show his work so I can spot the exact misunderstanding quickly. At home, the best support is to ask him to explain the first step out loud and to write down one question he will ask the next day, rather than trying to solve it all for him. When he gets stuck, is it more often because he does not understand the directions, he forgets a method, or he feels nervous about asking in front of others?
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Bye. I think this is very helpful. If you don't have time to have the meeting with your clients, with others, you just use the NavTalk to create the AI avatar and have to host a meeting Then you could check the meeting history, say what's the status of the meeting, something like that. It could save you a lot of time. Actually, it is your AI assistant, so it could help you to have the meeting with your customer, which will save you a lot of time. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all for this video. If you guys interested, you can take a look at our website and sign up and do some try. Okay, thank you for your time. Bye.